Alright guys, this is a quick video on how to set up the duel generator on the Raid Duels event. So first of all, you of course need to have Duel Links open and the bot. Then you need to configure the bot to use the duel skipper first of all. Then you also switch to PvE duel assessment. You set highest battle damage, and here you put some really high numbers, so it will randomize between these two numbers. And then actually you need to set the profile for Duel Skipper. Then in the game you need to play Raid Duels by going into Raid Duels. Also you need to have Fiddler open in the background so it captures your network traffic. Here you should have the assist duels unlocked. If you don't have that yet, you need to duel here and then it will unlock assist duels. So now you will click on assist duels and you will duel. What will happen, of course, is that the duel will be skipped and you will go straight to the results. And you will also get a damage bonus right here, which should show up at rescue complete. Here you have 124,000 points or damage dealt, which is good. And then you switch back to Fiddler. Again, this is a continuation video of my previous video, so if you don't understand what I'm doing, watch the other video. And yeah, so for raid duels, you need to select the raid.disp_top message, then the raid.search_help, and of course duel begin and duel end. You need to hold Control and then click using your mouse to select all four. Then you drag them all over here, and then you right click and select all and right click copy. You can also press Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy. Alright. Now you switch to the miscellaneous tab and then you go to Duels Generator and you open it up. Here you switch the duel type to Raid Duels. A new function which I've developed since the last video is the parse C# code option. So after copying the code, all you have to do is just click this button and it will fill in the body strings for you. So you don't have to manually copy them. That's a lot faster and less tedious. Now all you have to do is press send requests and it should work. So now we can switch back to the game. And we can check the history on your player profile to see if we are actually getting rewards and if it continues to farm in the background. Now, if you click on the history, you see at 21 we got rewards, and that's the same minute we are currently in. So it's perfectly working. If you go back and refresh the history tab, it will refresh the time. So we are getting rewards, it's farming in the background, and that's it. You can let this sit like that the whole night and it will farm and max out your character. That's pretty cool. So, if you liked the video, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.